Creating center lines. If I come up and choose the line, I'm creating normal line types. If I want to switch to a center line, I come over in my sketch palette, I go to line type, and I come to center line. I click on center line. I'm going to create and pick a point. I'm going to drag it over, pick another point. I'm going to hit escape, and I've just created a center line. All right. Now, if I want to change the center line to a normal line type, I just pick on it, right click, and go to normal construction, normal center line. So I want to go normal center line. I click on it. It brings it to a normal line. It'd be a blue line like anything else. If I want to take a normal line, I pick on it, I right click, I go to normal center line, and I can switch any normal line to a center line. So at this point, I have created center lines. I can use that to find the center of my circular geometry. And so remember that center lines are found up here in the line type.